Hello, Dr. Rudie here, your online teacher, trainer, and friend. Welcome to Streamlined with Dr. Rudie's English Made Easier, where we simplify the rules of the English language to facilitate English skills development and learning. For this episode, we will discuss about the rules of subject-verb agreement. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we hope you will learn much from this learning video. As we always do, let's start with a brief review of how we learn English in Streamlined English Made Easier. So we always start with the relevant grammatical rules, followed by examples to support understanding of the said rules, and end up with a short practice drill to see how far we understood the inputs in this tutorial video. We learned the rules of subject-verb agreement, as these are very important in both oral and written communication. Secondly, we want to enhance linguistic proficiency. We want to build confidence, and key factor for confidence in communication is knowing that we are correct with our grammatical structures in our sentences. And thirdly, we want to strengthen communicative competence, where everyone is able to communicate like a pro. Here we go with rules 5 to 8 on subject-verb agreement. Rule number 5 is the rule of proximity. It states that for a compound subject joined by or nor, the verb should agree with the number of the subject that is closer or nearer to the verb. Here are a few examples. First, the principal or her two assistants are representing the school in this conference. Our first subject is the principal. It is singular. The second is her two assistants. This subject is plural. And since it is the neuter subject, our verb must follow the number of the neuter subject. Our verb is are representing, likewise plural as the second subject. Here's another example. The sub-team leaders or the chairman informs us of any changes in the plan of activities. Subject number 1, the sub-team leaders, it is plural. But subject number 2, the chairman, is singular. That's why we need a singular verb, informs. Here comes rule number 6. For the expletive there, the verb must agree with the number of the word that follows the verb. Example 1, there is a very good employee training program in that company. Why do we use the verb is? Because the word after the verb, employee training program, is singular. There are 6 key factors for employee turnover. Why do we use are? Because the word after it is plural. 6 key factors. And the last one, take it easy. There isn't any reason to be very anxious about this issue. We are using a singular verb after there because the word after it is singular as well. Here we go with rule number 7. Indefinite pronouns each, any, and every, when these are used just by themselves, or when they are used with the words one or body, are singular in form and need singular verbs. Each of the participants was asked to attend the weekend drama rehearsals. Our subject is each, it is singular, so our verb is was, which is likewise singular in form. Here comes the second one. Everybody is required to report to work on time every day. Our subject is everybody. It is singular, so our linking verb is singular as well. Last but not the least is rule number 8. In terms of the correlative conjunctions, either or, neither nor, and not only but also, the verb is singular if both subjects are singular, plural if both subjects are plural, and the verb is based on the nearest subject if the subjects are different in number. Example number 1. Either or either. Either Mark or Romy is leading scouting team A. Mark is singular, Romy singular likewise. So our verb is singular, is leading. Here's another one. Neither John nor his buddies Alex and Pete were able to submit their thesis requirements today. John is singular. His buddies Alex and Pete plural. And these two subjects are connected by the correlatives neither and nor. Neither subject is plural, so our verb must be plural as well. Well, are you ready for our practice drill? Choose the correct verb that is necessary to complete the following sentences. Number 1. There are 18 shop floor employees still taking breakfast at the company cafeteria. What do you think? The correct answer is are. Question number 2. Have anyone claimed responsibility for the plane crash yesterday? The correct answer is has. Number 3. Neither or neither. Neither the truck driver nor the motorcycle driver accept responsibility for the accident. And the correct answer is accepts. Here comes number 4. Each of them have received the annual bonus? Our correct answer is has received. Number 5. Are there any other issues that we need to discuss in this meeting? The correct answer is are. Let's move on to number 6. Not only Mr. and Mrs. Francisco, but also their lawyer questions the unfair decision of the judge in this case. The correct answer is questions. These ends our inputs in this episode. This is Dr. Rudie saying goodbye for now. I'm wishing you good health and safety. God bless you. God bless us all.